Here's a practice for introducing algebra in under 4 minutes where the explanation speed is careful and step by step. Here's a problem. Write an equation for the perimeter of a triangle in which two sides of the triangle are 3 times as long as the third side and the perimeter is 35 meters. Well, I'll tell you my first problem with this problem is that halfway through I just totally lost whatever the heck it was they were talking about. Now, I don't want you to give up. I just want to show you how you can work this out. First of all, let's have a look at this. Write an equation for the perimeter of a triangle, okay? Perimeter is distance around. How far around is it? And the shape means it's going to have 3 sides. All right, it's about a triangle and how far around it is. 2 of the sides are each a certain way. They are 3 times as long as the third side. So first of all, 2 of the sides are the same as each other. And both of them are 3 times as long as the third side. And there's a certain distance around. What I'm going to do now is suggest that what you do is start by drawing a triangle in which 2 sides are the same length and they should be longer, 3 times longer than the other side. So I want to say that these are the same length. I'll just put a little mark on them like that, or maybe a double mark. It doesn't matter. The third side is not as long as the other 2. Before I get a measure for the distance around them, what I'm going to do is say, look, I don't know how long any of these sides are, but I'm going to say this has a certain length. It's length L. So what that means about each of the other sides is that since they are 3 times as long as it, I can represent each length as 3L. This length here is 3 times longer than the side length, and so is the other one. Well, you know, I think I'm ready to start talking about the perimeter now. The perimeter is the distance around. So let me start somewhere. Let me start right here and walk. The distance from there to the bottom is, well, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to call it L. Then to get up the other side, I have to go 3L. And I'm not back yet. In order to get back, I have to go from the part I just marked there, right here again. So I have to go another 3L. And that's the distance around, which is 35 meters. That is the equation in order to solve the length around the triangle and find out how long each of the sides are. Now, we're not going to solve that formally right now, but in the next lesson or so, we're going to look at algebra to find out how long it is. And that's it. If you've written this equation, feel comfortable with it, you're good. Go on to the next one. Thanks very much. We're done. Oh, by the way, the length, do you know what it is? It's 5 meters. Thanks.